Are you ready to discover the ways to create an easily monetizable YouTube Shorts channel without revealing your face? You can use AI tools to create or replace your income fast without having to market your personality. Let's take a look at a successful YouTube channel that focuses on quiz and riddle videos. These videos are racking up millions of views and have high viewer engagement. By keeping viewers engaged and their curiosity hooked, this channel has found success. Plus, it's monetized. A neat trick to confirm that a channel is indeed monetized is by heading over to ytlrg.com and checking their income revenue so you can be sure of potential earnings. The full link for ytlrg.com's monetization checker is in the description below. With inflation on the rise with only moderate signs of slowing down, the cost of everything is still accelerating. Inflation may stay high, indefinitely draining what resources you have. Wherever there seems like an unsolvable problem, it pays figuratively and literally to try and find a way forward. You can take a more innovative approach without tiring yourself any more than the world situations do now and possibly will do in the future. You may not be in control of everything, but you have some influence over your situation. We'll use powerful AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva for tapping into the income potential of short-form content that engages viewers and keeps them invested in the content. By creating captivating and interactive videos using AI automation, creators can enhance viewer retention, which leads to income. By the end of this video, you'll not only have your own YouTube channel that you don't have to be on camera for, but it will also be built on automation using AI, giving you back your time and energy. Think of yourself as a director directing your creativity through the tools rather than doing everything yourself. AI can help you do the heavy lifting. We'll even demonstrate how to generate titles, descriptions, and hashtags. Let's dive into the plan and get into the nitty-gritty of our strategy here. We're honing in on YouTube Shorts, those bite-sized videos that are all the rage and have a knack for blowing up. Now, how do we kick things off? Breaking it down step by step. Step 1. Crafting clever riddles with the help of AI. First off, we're leveraging tools like ChatGPT and Google's Bard AI to whip up a bunch of engaging riddles. By giving ChatGPT the right prompts, we can create out a diverse array of brain teasers that'll grab your audience's attention. Step 2. Sorting out the riddles. Once we've got the riddles, we'll neatly organize them in a Google Sheet. It's all about keeping things tidy and well-structured for smoother sailing ahead. Step 3. Styling your YouTube Shorts with Canva. We're turning to Canva to spice up our YouTube Shorts. We'll pick out backgrounds that fit the vibe, throw in some text, illustrations, and animations. The goal is to create content that's not just engaging but visually on point. Step 4. Streamlining the process. Thanks to Canva's Bulk Create tool, which comes with a paid subscription, we're making the whole short-making enterprise a breeze. Linking up the data from our Google Sheet to the on-screen elements, we're creating a slick, efficient workflow that saves you time and energy. Step 5. Set up your YouTube channel. Go to Bing.com Images where you get 15 free credits to generate an avatar using only a simple prompt. Step 6. Crafting your YouTube channel. Time to launch your YouTube channel. Pay some mind to your titles, descriptions, and tags. And guess what? You can use AI once more to whip up these elements tailored to your specific topic. Head back over to ChatGPT and explain your video, and ask the chatbot to give you some ideas for titles, tags, and a description for your video. By following this AI automation process, you can create a faceless YouTube channel that engages viewers, leads to views, which leads to money. Remember, consistency is key, so conduct your own research and experiment with more creative ideas. Let us know your comments below. Remember to like and subscribe for more AI content. If you want help out of the Matrix, AI Era has got your back.